Alrighty guys, these are the really cool glass elevators here at the Bass Pro Shop Pyramid here in Memphis, Tennessee. We got these really cool glass elevators here. Let's go take them for a ride. Here comes this one.
Wanna look down in the bottom there?
Here it comes. Yeah, this is cool. And it's slowly coming down. Here it is. Oh, yes. Here we go up to, oh. Here we go.
Hello everybody, I'm Bill Dan. Did you know that you're taking a ride on the nation's tallest freestanding elevator? You're flying over 300 feet in the air. Now that's taller than the Statue of Liberty. Here's another fun fact for you. This elevator and everything you see when you look down would never have happened had it not been for one big old Mississippi River blue cat. One day, my dear friends and fishing buddies, Johnny Mars, the founder of this place, Jack Emmett and I were not very far from this building on the Mississippi River fishing. Johnny was trying to make a major decision if he should put a Bass Pro Shop in the pyramid and kept asking, should we do it? Not knowing how to answer, he finally said, I'll make it easy. If we catch a catfish over 30 pounds, we'll put a Bass Pro inside. Well, guess what? There we were when Jack set the hook and reeled in a fish that removed all the pressure. A beautiful catfish, a little over 30 pounds. Johnny screamed out, it's a deal, we're gonna do it. We all kissed the fish and released it. Before the fish even got back to the bottom, Johnny started making plans on turning this place into an outdoorsman playground. A good fish story, huh? Well, you're just about to the top, and I want you to go and have a big time at the lookout. Don't forget to step out on those glass overlooks and take a look at the most amazing view of Memphis. Have a good time, folks.
This is so cool.
This is really cool.
Whoa.
Sir, we're going to open to 11 a.m.
Oh, you don't?
Yes, sir. You'll have to go back down and wait for the cashier.
All right.
Here we go.
Welcome back. Me again, Bill Dance. Hope y'all had a great time at the lookout and soaked up some amazing views of my home state of Tennessee. Now, before you back down, take a look around and enjoy the sights. If you look out across the way, you'll see a sign for Big Cypress Lodge. Can you imagine getting to camp out right here in the pyramid? I mean, this place is world class, and you can even stay in a room that looks like a treehouse or even an old-time duck cabin. Hey, they even got a big governor suite with a full kitchen large enough for you to cook up a big Sunday dinner for the whole family after church. And that afternoon, when you finish exploring the pyramid, you can kick back, relax on one of those rocking chairs out there on the balcony. Just enjoy the view of the Cypress Swamp. Wow, that sounds relaxing to me. Now, if you want to learn more, visit their website at big-cypress.com or go visit them here at the pyramid. Now, before you go, don't miss some of the other great adventures here, like the underwater themed dinner and a round of bowling at Uncle Buck's Fish Bowl and Grill, or enjoy some target practice at one of the live fire shooting ranges. To learn more about all the adventures you could experience, visit the friendly folks at the welcome desk. Thanks again for taking this sky-high ride and enjoy us here at Bass Pro Shops at the Pyramid. Can't wait to see you again. And until then, how about catching one for me?
This is so cool. Here at the ground floor.
We weren't supposed to ride it, but we did anyway.
We did anyway. Just sending upstairs. Hell no. We were not supposed to on it, but we did it anyway. Yeah, we're gonna film it on the outside because this is such a cool place. There it goes. Look at that.
Cold, but just enough to stay warm.
Straight up to here, bro.
That is pretty impressive. Look at that. Yeah, that is really, really cool. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.